Yo, what's up everybody? This is David Clutch with an all new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an edit. An edit is basically used for just basically making, you could take a old song and add a new drop to it, or you could add an instrumental of whatever song you want with whatever vocals you want. And these are just ways to spice up your DJ sets. I make a lot of edits. I use them every week. But I was just thinking earlier, I wanted to make a new edit. So let's hop into it and then we'll make one. And if you guys have any questions, always be sure to comment below, or you could even throw new ideas at me and we could try to make different edits. I'm always down to do that. So let's hop in. But first, always be sure to like and subscribe, because that's how I get to keep making these videos for you guys. All right, everybody, let's jump into it. All right, so let's begin. Here we are. Basically, I'm just taking an old song that I played the other night, and I was like, oh man, the song's so good, but it needs a new drop. It needs a new drop because you'll see the old one is like 2008, and it just doesn't sound up to par with everything else that is being played nowadays, quality wise. So it's a really good remix though, and back in the day, it was a super banger and so much fun to party to. But nowadays, we have to change it up a little bit. So I am going to go like this. The song that we're doing is Thunderstruck, and it's the Crookers remix. So basically it sounds like that. It's pretty cool, but it needs a new.
Wow.
So that part's kind of like, I feel like it's outdated, and it could be better. So we're going to make it better. So first things first, I'm going to make this 128. And let's see, we're going to cut it. We're going to take that down just a little bit.
Wow.
All right, so we're going to delete that. We're going to add a second portion to this here, add a whole new drop. But sometimes this takes a minute. So this track is 1A, and we need to, would be nice to find another 1A track. And mainly because staying in key is nice. You definitely could do it out of key. It just depends on the tracks. Sometimes, like, I've made edits before in the past where they work really well together, just because of the vocals, the wordplay. Everything has to be right for it to sound good, and in key. But if you do out of key, then it's okay. But just make sure it sounds good, because sometimes you think it sounds good, you listen to it the next day, and it's you kind of thinking, what do you do? But first off, we're looking for 1A, and I'm going to scroll down. I had to play a bunch of weird disco stuff last week for an event, but I'm going to go down to my newest stuff here. I can't move over. Okay, there we go. And we're going to look for 1A, 12A. We're going to look for 2A. Sometimes this is the long part, but it's okay. It's part of the process. So here's a 1A. That's actually pretty cool. That might be it. We might have found it faster than we thought. But I like that one because it's kind of still in that same like electronic genre that the actual Thunderstruck track is. But let's keep going and see what else we find. Anything else? No, because the vocal. Let's see. This is a very tedious part. 108 now. No. All right, let's see. Let's keep going. $150, $78. Well, actually, no, the vocal. All right, keep going. That could be kind of cool. Let's see. Sometimes you want to try a few of these and just see what sounds the best, but you never know.
Wow.
It's kind of cool.
Wow.
Kind of like that.
Wow.
All right, I actually really like that. See if we find another. Let's try this one. Dive in. And how does this one sound?
Wow.
It's all right. I mean, not really into it. So we'll delete it. Keep moving. Wrong. let's go back to the weekend one. Where was that? Right here. Try this. All right. Let's see.
Wow. Wow.
That's actually good too. Oh man, it's gonna be a tough decision. So this one.
Wow.
Or.
Wow.
I think I'm gonna go with this needle on the record one. Let's hear it all together and see how it sounds.
Mommy, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Mommy, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Mommy, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Mommy, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Mommy, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Wow.
Okay, so that's kind of cool. I don't know. I like it.
Wow.
All right, one more time, or this one.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna go with the other one. So, turn that one back on, and then I'm gonna add just little touches to make it better. Turn some reverb on right here. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. I don't want too much. Let's see.
Wow.
Yeah, it blends better there. All right. And I wonder if there's anything. Oh, right here. Cool.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Cool. I'm gonna ride with that. I actually like that. And I'm gonna bring this back up. Hear it like that.
Wow.
All right, awesome. I like that. So this is a very basic edit. And it's just something to make it a little newer, and definitely just play it out like that instead. The old one was good, but you can always make things better with edits. So this is a very beginner edit here that we did. Pretty easy, simple, straightforward way of making an edit, but we will make more edits where we can lay vocals over instrumentals, and we can make some very intricate edits along the way, and I don't mind making those videos, so I'll definitely do it more, but till then, make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos for you guys. And also, make sure to comment below any edits that you like or that you've heard that you like, or any edits that you want me to attempt to make here on a video for you guys, and see how they come out. So anything's possible, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. So till next time, I will see you guys later. Peace.